to say, what is this organization called first? What is its role? What is the legal and constitutional right this organization has? We have the CIO, we know it. We have the army, we know the police, and they have constitutional roles to make sure that there's law and order in this country. But this FAZ is an animal that is a big problem. We also have the problem of the voters' roll itself. Our perennial challenge is that the voters' roll must be a voters' roll that people agree on and agree to. The voters' roll must be audited, analyzable, searchable, and of course signed off to by the various political players, by the various stakeholders. Any voters' roll that is not credible will not be accepted and will not accept it. And I know some will say, are you going to boycott the election? We will not boycott ourselves. We are the elections. The people of Zimbabwe are and have the right. They are the ultimate authority when it comes to what should happen. ZEC is our institution, and ZEC must be able to be accountable to the people of Zimbabwe, because all authority is derived from the people of Zimbabwe. So yes, I'm happy that I've seen that people are coming in to also check their names. The only concern is Mr. Mnangagwa, who continues to duck and dive on the days of the election. People have to plan. Some have to ask for leave days. Some are in the diaspora have to come back. International investors have to plan around the date of the election. We also have to plan. We are not as disorganized as Mr. Mnangagwa. So we want these dates